Okay, this is my reassembly video for my American 1100 Green Belt submission. So let's have a look. Let's start from the front. Just check we're all in frame. Not getting my head in the way. I think that didn't matter in my previous video. If it did, I'm very annoyed at myself. But I'm going to upload it anyway because I'm pretty sure. I mean, there's no way I could have been cheating, so I'm going to turn that around there. Drop that in. Drop that in. That's all the springs back in location. Nah, that's the front, so we'll start from the front. I quite like to just pop them in. Oh, these tweezers are a pain in my ass. Right there. Should have it close on the pins first, maybe. So front. That's the key pin. What am I doing? Driver pins. These bloody tweezers. Next one. Spool. In a second chamber. Another serrated spool in the third chamber. And I'm going to go around from the back to put serrated into number 4. And finally serrated into 5. Alright. That's all that then. So I'm going to go in with a shim, pop my follower in there, hold all that in there, right? Then we're going to go back in with the key pins. So start from the front again. Nice serrated little one out. Check my head's not in the shot again. Damn it. I need some new tweezers. These are annoying. Fourth one, and then a fifth one. Bosh. And then I generally just give it a quick check with the key. Check they all sit flush when the key's in. Yep, nice. And we're going to go in from the front. Keep that shim there. No one shot yet. C-clip back on. I'm going to lock it up. Bosh. And then we are going to try around it like that. That's the one. Just like that. And put the cover back on that. Put him back in there. Flip it. Drop the screw back in there. Reach for my handy screwdriver, which is actually on hand this time. Not too tight. Shut that back up. There's my keys, just to check it's all still good. That's a reassembled American 1100. Thanks for watching. Peace.